woke up? Did you sleep?
Yeah.
No, what did you do? Oh, you just sleep. Wow, okay. And how are you today, Isabel? How are you? Are you still sleepy? How are you? Okay, just wait for a moment. Okay. Oh, did you, I think, did you cut your hair today?
Cut your hair.
It- It's so short. I think last time just here. But maybe this time, maybe in this afternoon now. Are you ready to start our lesson, Isabel? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So let me share first my screen here. Let's wait for a moment. This one. So yesterday we learned about, or we reviewed about heating, talking about heating. So now let's review the cooling materials. So the question here, or you need to name two things in the kitchen that need to be kept cool to keep their shape. For you, Isabel, name two things that you can see in the kitchen that need to be kept cool to keep their shapes. Can you tell me? Nice one. Okay, it's water. Aside from water, what else? Okay, it's the cold water to keep, or it became ice. The water, if we keep them in the cool temperature, it became ice. Okay, very good. That's right. So now it means that we learn. Let's say, I know. Sweet, I know that.
I know that cooling something can make them hot.
Using, using the method of cooling the materials, it makes them hard, just like our hands. This time, let's review now the solving materials in what. So here, can you please read Isabel? Name three things that dissolve.
Three things that dissolve in the water.
So can you tell three things that can dissolve in the water? Are three things that we can dissolve in the water, Isabel? Just like how, maybe
How
powder,
the
powder. Yeah, or a powder of juice. It can dissolve into water. But maybe I am going to ask you only one. The second here. What are the things that do not dissolve in water? You can see that in the ocean or in the beach that does not dissolve into water. What's that? It's the sa. It's Isabel? That's one. It's
mm,
it's sa.
sun.
Okay, very good. Do you spell the word sand? Spell it. S-A.
S-E.
What else is an?
H E N D hand
Say it again. Can you repeat that, Isabel?
hand
Okay, sand. So sand did not or do not dissolve in the water. So now you learn about tree. I know that. You learn. I know.
no nothing can dissolve in water.
Okay, so that not all things we can dissolve in water, and that's it. So now I think this is the last time that we learned yesterday, learning about natural or not natural, or it means man-made. You need just to circle the correct answer. So let's read number one first, Isabel. Concrete is,
Nothing is
what is the answer? Is natural or man-made? We use that in the roads, buildings, making some mm, bridges. So for you, concrete is natural or concrete is man-made? Can you circle
man-made.
your answer? Okay, very good. So let's circle. Let's circle man-made. Okay, very good. And how about number two? Wood is covered wood. Okay, let's circle natural. Okay, let's read again the sentence, Isabel. Concrete,
Concrete
say it.
is man-made.
Two.
Wood is natural.
Okay, natural. So now you learn about, let's read, I understand.
That many things are natural into a different mm,
Material.
material. It becomes man-made.
Okay. So you think if people can change material, it means that it becomes man-made or it's not natural. So those are the things that we review for this day. So now it's another lesson, Isabel. So let me erase this first. Can you please read the fourth for our fourth unit? It's all about. Mhm.
Looking at rock.
Okay, so it's looking at rocks. So our in this module you will learn about look at different types of rock, find out about what rocks are used for, and also investigate different types of soil rather. So now here we have a question, Isabel. Look at the photographs. Do you know what the rock formation and the building are made from? Look at the picture. Do you know what the rock formation and building are made from? What's that? They're made from
Made from
mhm, rock, rock, rock formation and buildings. They're made from. What's this?
rock.
Rock. Very good. What else? Made from sun.
Made from sandy
Okay, sandy or sand. And
stone.
also stone and
Stone.
soil. So maybe these are the four
Yeah.
components Yeah, to our rock formation and buildings. So also here we learn about compare, comparing two things. So our amazing facts now, Isabel. Okay, let's read this one. The oldest
The
rocks.
oldest rocks on the earth are nearly 4
30 billion
million years old.
Okay, it means that he is very, very old now because it's the age of the rock is 4 billion. It has a lot of zero, 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 zero. So that's the amazing facts about rocks. So now in here, look at the rocks your teacher has given you. How do they feel? Oh, I don't have rocks, but when you are holding a rock, Isabel, is it soft or hard?
It's hot.
When you're holding a, okay, it's hard. It feels like it's hard. Now, look at the rock formation and building again. How do you think they would feel if you touch them? If we touch the building and if we touch the rock formation, how do you feel? It's still soft or hard? Touch this building. How do you feel, Isabel?
It's real
Soft?
hot.
It's still hard. Very good. So our buildings have a rock formation. They are rock. Oh no, they are hard rock. Hard. So now look at the pictures. Which of the building materials have been made by people? Which can be found in nature? So first, here there are 6. You need to differentiate made by people and made by or found in nature. Let's read the first picture here. Wooden
Then
rafters.
rub it.
Is it from nature or made by people? The wooden rafters, Isabel. Is it made by people or found in nature? The wooden wood. It's found in found in nature.
Nature.
Nature, yeah. So how about the next picture? Here, metal,
Metal.
girders.
Metal.
Mhm. So it's metal girders. Is it made by people or found in nature? It's metal. Made by what? Okay, it's made by people. Or metal, it's made by people. Next of it is glass. Okay, this one is plastic window frame. Is it made by people or found in nature? Mhm. It's plastic. It's
Window frame.
mm. Yeah, plastic window frames. This one. This is the plastic window frames. So for you, Isabel, is it made by people or we can found it in nature? Plastic. It's a plastic.
Huh?
It's Made here. Or we can say natural or man-made. Is it man-made or natural? Yes.
Natural.
Plastic, is it natural?
Man-made. People.
Okay, it's a man-made.
Man-made.
It's made by the people. Good job. And next here, let's read building.
Building stone.
Okay, so the stone here, is it made by people or we found in nature or it's natural? Hmm?
Yes.
That's your answer. Stone is about by people or it's nature, found in nature.
Mm, Natural.
Okay, it's natural. Okay, the next one here, building.
Building stone.
Building.
Building cat.
Oh, building bricks.
Brick.
Bricks. Yeah. Oh, so the our bricks, it's made by people or found in nature? Bricks.
Big.
Is it found in nature, Isabel, or people?
People.
It's name, name,
Natural.
nature. Yeah, it's natural or nature because bricks made from mud. Yep. And the last one here, glass.
Grass window.
Okay, this one, our glass here. Is it made by people or found in nature? The glass. Mhm. It's
Is made by people.
okay, very good. So it means that our some of the materials that we use is made by people and some it we found in nature. So these are the examples. Now, then we have a question here. What are rocks? What are rocks? That's here. Let's read. Recognize.
Recognize
Smart.
different rocks. That rocks
Understand.
can be used in different ways.
Okay, so those are the things that we're going to learn about rocks. So our big idea now, please read. Rocks are
Rocks are important and are found everywhere. Look at the
okay. It's
photograph that shows how rocks are used today and how they were used in the past.
okay. So it means we learn about the past life until in the present. So first, in this picture, we have a question for you. Where have you seen rocks used in buildings? Where have you seen rocks used in buildings? Have
Mm,
you seen any in your school?
this is
Mhm.
the building.
Very good. So, does the building use rocks, Isabel?
No,
Yes or no? Do you think so? They don't use rocks here in building walls, in building your floor. They don't use rocks. Mhm.
mm,
How about here? No, okay. So how about here? Have you seen any in your school? Some rocks in your school or in your house? Have you seen some rocks in your house?
yes.
Yes. Now, next, why is rock such as useful material for buildings? For you, or in some infrastructure? Because rock is soft or hard?
It's hard.
Okay, it's hard. And commonly it gives foundation to the buildings or house that we need. And now, here, look at the picture of the
Of
beach
the
here.
beach.
Circle
Circle
any.
any examples of rock you can see. This is the rock.
Okay, very good. What else? Aside this, these are the big rocks. We have this in we have do you have, or I think there's that other here. It's like a small rocks. We call it pebbles. Can you see or circle the small rocks
We cannot
or
see the
pebbles?
building.
Oh yeah, there are no building here, but oh, this one. Can you see it?
This is the rock.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Small
Over there,
rock.
we can. It's not a rock for you. I think it's kind of small rock, a small rock. So these you already circled the big, small, and over here. Now, for you, what are stones?
There's stones.
Mhm.
The stones to
So, I think this the stones, and yep, yep. These are the stones.
to
Now,
find.
look,
The stones
they're
you
so
find
small.
on the plain rock are broken. Now piece of rock round stones are called pebbles. Sand is also a type of rock. Rock. It is made from tiny flakes. N Kinds of rock that have been broken down by the winter.
Wonderful. So it means that it should be our sand, this one, the big ones, our sands are also papyrus are also made by but it has only a tiny grains. Tiny grains.
Broken down by the winter.
No, it's both good by the weather. Weather. So all of it, it's made by the rocks. Or these are the factory rocks. Now, in our next picture, look around your school or in your house. List the parts
The
of the
part of
buildings.
the buildings made from stones. So many stones.
Yeah, there's so many stones, and they have different col- colors
Colors.
here. So, yeah, some are black, some are gray. So that is our stones. And also here, Isabel, in your house, right? In your house, do you have stones there?
Huh?
In your house or in your home, do you have stones?
Hmm?
Can you see some stones in your house?
Stones. Yeah, so many stones.
Oh yeah, you have so many stones.
I don't know. It's a building.
Oh, that's great. So commonly, if we are making or building some houses, it's made. Or we need some foundation to make our house more
Sand
firm.
and shampoo can be found on the beach and in the dirt.
Beach and in deserts. So we can see that beach or desert. You can see a sand and pebbles. Now let's read this one, Isabel. Rocks are
Rocks are found everywhere, and we can see them all around us. They are also under the ground and the bottom of the sea.
okay. So we can see them all around us. Wherever we go, we can see some rocks, even though in the ocean or in the bottom of our sea. Now, look back at the picture at the beach. Do you want to circle any more example of rocks? Again, do you want to circle any more example of rocks here, Isabel? Going back here. Can you circle some example of rocks?
Hmm?
Can you circle some example or types of rocks in the picture? Okay, this one. What else?
This one,
Hmm?
this
And
one too.
okay, very good. Our sand. Sand. It's made from rocks. So everything that we can see here, it's made from rocks. So now here, let's think about before we end our lesson of this part. Here is first. Think about what is under.
Look back at the picture of the beach. Do you want to circle any more examples of rocks?
Yeah, so you already circled it earlier. So we are now done in this part. So now
What is
let's go in.
under the school if you dug down deep enough? What might you find? The shark.
If you are okay, so you can when you drag down enough, you can find some. You can find
I don't know
some
one under the water.
in the bottom of water. You can find some rock formation, but also under our school, under the ground, usually you can find some rocks. Now, maybe this time, different building materials. We're going just to complete this tomorrow, learning more about this one. So before we end here, do you have any question? Okay, but I think there's not now. So maybe this teacher is going to say goodbye now and have a great week. Goodbye, Isabel. Thank you so much. Bye.